How to log in to Regions Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then search for Regions Bank, and then tap on the very first link you see there and you will be led to the official webpage of Regions Bank. Here, tap on the login button you see there on the right side of the screen and you will be required to then enter your username. So go ahead and enter a valid username, and if you want the device to remember your username, then you can simply tap on the checkbox you see there and finally tap on the continue button. Just in case if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can tap on the forgot username or password option you see there and recover your username or your password. And if you don't yet have an account, then you can simply tap on the enroll now option you see there and follow the prompts in order to enroll to the bank. Finally, tap on the continue button and you will then be required to enter your password for Regions Bank. So go ahead and enter your password and then tap on the continue button you see there. And with this, if the login credentials that you entered is correct, then you will be successfully logged in to Regions Bank online banking account. So this was about how you can log in to Regions Bank online banking account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.